Namaste students, खुश over to you. I JVN Dr. Naren Singh Sekhawat, Assistant Professor, Department of Shalya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In previous classes, we discussed about some disorders of kidney. In consequence, today we will discuss about this renal calculus, stones of kidney. Okay, students. Introduction. A kidney stone is a hard, solid mass of material that forms in the kidney from the substance in the urine. Kidney stones or calculi develop as a result of various metabolic disorders which affect the fat of calcium and other minerals elements in the body. Stones may be found in the kidney, urinary bladder, ureter, and urethra. Meaning, a kidney stone, also known as renal calculus or nephrolith, is a solid piece of material which is formed in the kidney from minerals in urine. Statistics incidence more than 1 million cases annually in US, 1 in 273 over 3.6 per thousand Americans develop stone annually. 80% of stones under 2 mm in size, 90% of stone pass through the urinary system spontaneously. General stone smaller than 6 mm are passable. Etiology. Diet vitamin A deficiency. It causes desquamation of epithelium which acts as a nidus for stone formation. Climate. In hot climate, urinary solutes will increase with a decrease in colloids, which leads to chelation of solute with calcium forming a nidus for stone. Citrate in urine maintains the calcium phosphate and carbonate in soluble soluble state, and any decrease in citrate level in urine cause stone formation. Infection in kidney. U- Urea splitting organisms commonly cause stone formation, that is E. coli, Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, Proteus, etc. Prolonged immobilization cause decalcification of bones and so hypercalciuria leading to stone formation. Hyperparathyroidism cause hypercalciuria causing multiple bilateral stones or often bilateral nephrocalcinosis. Hyperoxaluria as a result of altered glycine metabolism. Stasis due to obstruction to urine flow. Randall-Pallach theory is erosion and depletion of urinary salts as Randall's plaque at the apex of renal papillae. Minute concretions called as microliths normally develop in the subendothelial part of the tubules, which will be carried away as particles by renal lymphatic network vessels. If these lymphatics are blocked, microliths enlarge and act as nidus for stone formation. Others, sarcoidosis, myelomatosis, gout, idiopathic hypercalciuria, hypervitaminosis D, nephroplasm on treatment, hypermagnesuria. AMG plus in urine acts as a complexing agent, prevents nucleation normally. Renal tubular acidosis commonly cause calcium phosphate stone. Stage of stone formation. supersaturation, nucleus formation, crystallization, aggregation, matrix formation, and stone. Then stone. Now, pathophysiology of stone formation: urine saturation, supersaturation, crystal nucleation, aggregation, retention, and growth. This is the pathology of renal stone. Students, this is all about the definition, etiology, causes, pathophysiology of renal stone is called stone in kidney or urolith. Okay, students. Remaining part will discuss in another class. Thank you, students. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyote Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Mm, I hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubts and queries, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you, students.